Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to use Love Spouse app, download, pairing and remote control tutorial. First, download the Love Spouse app. For Android, open Google Play Store and search for Love Spouse remote connection. Now tap install and wait for the app to download. For your iPhone, open the App Store and search for Love Spouse remote connection. Tap Get to install the app. Second is to create a Love Spouse account. Open the Love Spouse app and tap New User Registration. Now enter your email address or phone number and enter the verification code you received. Now create a password and log into your new account. Third, pair your device. Sign into the app and tap the plus button. From there, select Add Device and scan the product ID QR code that came with your device and wait for the device to appear in the app. Fourth, connect the device to your phone. Turn on the device and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Now open the Love Spouse app, tap the paired device icon and allow Bluetooth permissions if prompted. Now wait until the status shows connected. Fifth, add a partner for remote control. Open the app and sign in and go to the interactive mode. Now search for your partner using their Love Spouse ID or email address. Send a friend request and ask your partner to accept the request. Now start an interaction session. How to use the device. The classic mode. Tap classic mode on the app home screen, then tap the play button to start the device. Now swipe your fingers across the control ring to change patterns, then slide the intensity bar up or down to adjust speed. Music mode. Tap music mode on the main menu and grant the app permission to access your local music library. Now select and play any song from your playlist. Feel the device automatically vibrate to the rhythm of the music. Shake mode. Select shake mode from the feature list and hold your smartphone firmly in your hand. Now shake your phone to trigger the device vibrations. Shake faster or harder to increase the vibration intensity. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.